Hi folks, welcome to Clasheen. I'm really excited to announce that on Saturday the 3rd of July 2021, the 2-year anniversary of these print and dye borders being planted, I'm going to release my Patreon. Patreon is a subscription-based service where people can choose to support a creative person, an artist, a blogger, a videographer, in what they do if they'd like to get to know them a little bit better. I'm going to start with 3 different tiers. They're not going to be expensive. There's no need to join or support me if you don't want to. I will continue to post regularly, as usual, on Instagram, Facebook, and also on YouTube. However, if you would like some insider knowledge, behind the scenes footage, if you would like tips that are for patrons only, if you're interested in eco-printing, felt making, developing the borders, or just life in rural Ireland with a rescue collie, maybe this might be something for you. Please don't think there's going to be any obligation to actually join a subscription level. It's just for those of you who are interested in getting some additional benefits that are for patrons only. I will be able to create a lot more content and I will be able to do more hands-on work in the studio myself. My intention for my very first goal is to be able to employ somebody 4 half days a month here at Clasheen to do the heavier grunt work outside in the garden. That's going to free me up tremendously and allow me to do more hands-on work myself and create interesting content for you. So I look forward to sharing more about this subscription service over the next couple of weeks, and then on Saturday, July the 3rd, it launches. Have a great weekend, everybody. Over and out. I'm off to harvest the comfrey.